We find ourselves today at Connect Mobile Solutions in Mahara, just doing a couple of jobs on this BMW X2 for a customer. We've got our front parking sensors. The centre parking sensors are colour coded to match the car. Outside sensors matte black to match the grille. We also put F770 2-channel dash cam. The inside camera. Just give you a wee look from the inside of the vehicle what we've got. With the front parking sensors, first of all, we've got our display on top of the dash. Just going forward, you press your sensor button, move forward, and as you get closer to the car in front, as you can see, we're getting a warning, and I think that's near enough, far enough. Thank you very much. Our dash cam on the inside, tucked neatly at the passenger side, just beyond the mirror. Our back dash cam, our back camera, we'll just give you a wee look at that also. Barely visible from the outside, but from the inside, tucked nice and neat at the centre of the back glass. If this is something that you would like, please feel free to contact us at Connect Mobile Solutions, Belfast or Mahara.